Okay, so hey, it's Chrissy again, with my next video blog installment. This will make part 4 of my installment. I worked today. Work was work, and it sucked. My manager, Jeff, came out and was telling me that I wasn't a hard worker, that I need to pay more attention to the guests. Really? Really? No. Anyways, so he was all like, blah, 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 you need to do this, you need to do that. Okay, whatever, fine, yummy, peachy. Then it started to storm. I didn't like it. I still don't like it. I was on the phone with Lizzie actually, and I heard the trash can, the little ashtray thingy that we have that can be, like, it's circular, like, you know what I mean, like it's round all the way around, and it has, like a thing where you can put a garbage bag in, put a small garbage bag in it, and you can, you know, use it to double either with trash or cigarette butts. Yeah, that blew over, and then the outside mat flew, so I had to chase after all 3 of those things. And then, you know, wind and more wind and some rain. Just a little bit of rain, not too much, but definitely some wind. And there's been major windage around here too. Pardon me for a second. My phone is off. Because, yeah, that's the proper thing to do while making a video blog. Yeah, so I was a little bit, you know, okay, yes, I'm afraid of the freaking wind. I don't know why I'm afraid of the wind, but I am. So I called Randy, and me and him were talking and everything, and the car went out at his place, and I got IM on my computer, and I don't care, etc., etc., etc. I haven't done anything else, really. Just been sitting here. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, and I kind of wanted to go to bed, but at the same sense, I'm wide awake. I have Mountain Dew. I am wide awake. I don't want to make this as long as the last one, because the last one was a pain in the ass to get done. A pain in the motherfucking ass. So, with that being said, I'm going to go answer my IMs, because, you know, it's the cool kid thing to do. And hopefully go to sleep. Not complete sure how that's going to turn out. But I'm going to go to sleep, and I'm going to relax. Maybe I'll try to go to sleep. Oh well. I use a different way to record my voice, so hopefully this will work better than what it did before. So here's to you guys. Love y'all. Peace out. Bye.